our today's topic will be operators. Okay. Like any programming language, every programming language, or in a journal, you can see in a mathematics, we have various operators like plus operator, minus operator, okay, divide operator. Okay, so similarly, in a programming language also, we have various operators. So today topic is how Python programming language deal with these operators and how many types of operator available in a Python programming language. This will be the today's topic. So we will begin our proceeding. First, understand the meaning of the operators. Meaning of the operator is just very simple, straightforward. For example, plus. I hope everyone aware with the plus symbol, minus symbol, divide symbol, and multiply symbol. These are the very basic operations of mathematics, and these operators generally we perform various functions in our day-to-day life. So actually, we are familiar with the term operators. So the operator can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operation between two operands. What is the operands here? For example, if I am performing uh, addition between two variable A and B, concept here is that operator, for example, plus is the operator, and A and B, these two symbol are operand. Okay, what is this? Operand. OPERAND. Okay, this is the operand. हम जनरली ऑपरेंड को क्या बोल देते हैं? वेरिएबल्स. ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट द टर्म. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि यहाँ हो क्या रहा है. यहाँ पे हम दो नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हैं. जो दो नंबर होंगे ए और बी, दैट इज द ऑपरेंड, एंड द performing operation, that is basically operator. Okay, I hope operator और operand का डिफरेंस समझ आ गया होगा. ओके,